Yonder's educational platform makes dental care less scary for kids.
Mimi helps kids by showing them a new experience. The most surprising thing about Mimi was the parents' reaction.
Dr. Fong at Metropolitan Dental recommended this app, and it has been a lifesaver. First thing she asked was, is Mimi gonna be there? Even before we went there, she was like, we're gonna see Dr. Fong's different tools, and I know those because Mimi showed me them.
And I can ask the child, open wide like Mimi, and the child's mouth just falls wide open. I always ask the parent, do you think that watching the Mimi app helped? And every parent, no matter how their child behaved, said, oh, definitely, watching Mimi helped.
It has been a huge help, so we really like it. Thank you.
Mimi helps people not be afraid of going to the dentist.